festive.
You do? Oh, awesome.
If you go into one of those and you don't like what it offers, you can just press back.
You don't want Christmas songs.
Festive is probably got the most.
Whoa, that's awesome. Awesome.
That is cool. Very cool.